This is next part of the language. So here one person told that yes, basically complete shutdown of the computer basically has never happened basically in the world basically. So here one person told that means basically if world will end on last day of the world end basically, this will be the steps basically, so that basically anybody can pass the data from the earth planet to planets. So one person told that yes, here basically few people told that basically it might be passed also long before basically. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically this might be passed also. So one person told, so the complete shutdown basically has never happened in this world basically of the computer, and that authority only that king family basically have. And he will basically say that, are yeah, basically which kind of word basically you are telling? Complete shutdown means basically you want to say the entire world is connected with the computers and you want to shut down the entire world basically, because entire world is running on the basis of computer only basically. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically that is also sure basically that complete world basically is running on the basis of, and constantly basically power supply is coming from 1 lakh planet basically. So here one person told that yes, yeah, basically this actually one of the person told this only king family basically who created the computer, who is the owner of the computer, he only knows. Same way basically the automobile industry owner basically, he told that Sunil basically we have created around 50,000 planets on the base of this automobile industry basically is created on the base of 50,000 planet basically. And 50,000 planets basically are pushing this automobile industry. If that 50,000 planet basically will not give power supply to earth planet, not a single vehicle will run basically in this world. And he say that basically that is controlled by some satellites basically. So here one person that is basically the owner basically who is controlling the entire automobile industry. That's why I telling them basically in front of the world basically things are different, and not in front of the world things are different. So next video.